Power storage systems have the ability to radically transform the way energy is handled, and when used in conjunction with solar photovoltaic systems, they open up a wide range of energy possibilities for households, including greater independence from traditional utilities and others. The CFE-384S-CFE-5120S storage system series, manufactured by CF Energy, is a set of high-performing lithium iron phosphate devices that can be used to store the surplus energy produced by solar modules during the day and utilise it to power homes during the night when there is no sunlight. Minimal maintenance, extremely safe, lightweight, improved charging and discharging efficiency, and increased life of 3,500 cycles or 5 years are some of the benefits offered by the lithium iron phosphate technology used in our storage systems. The product series consists of various different models with rated voltage and battery capacities ranging from 12.8 to 25.6 volts and 10 to 200 ampere hours respectively. The flexible design of the storage systems allows up to 4 individual battery modules to be connected in series to increase the cumulative voltage capacity up to 51.2 volts for high voltage applications without employing any additional equipment or settings. When compared to the traditional lead-acid batteries, our products have a 23.5% higher energy density, which means they can be easily transported and also can provide more power in a smaller footprint, making them an ideal alternative for customers with limited space. Accurate estimation of the storage system's state of charge is one of the main tasks of a battery management system, and the genetic algorithm used in our smart battery management system ensures precise state of charge calculation, helping to improve the storage system's performance and reliability as well as their life. Our devices have a higher IP rating than most conventional LFP storage systems on the market. An IP65, which means they are significantly protected from external dust and water, as well as a wider operating temperature range of -20 to 60 degrees Celsius, which facilitates their usage even in harsh outdoor environments. The product's outer body and handles are made of tough stainless steel that has undergone multiple fatigue tests, ensuring their safety and durability. The electronic LED powered display screen along with the switch buttons facilitates easy monitoring and operation of the device, and the simple buckle fixing feature reduces the installation time and cost. A 5-year product guarantee as well as multiple international certifications such as the IEC 62040 and UN 38.3 attest to the product's quality and reliability. CF Energy is a well-known global battery manufacturer that produces and sells lithium-ion power batteries and lithium-ion phosphate energy storage systems to customers all over the world. Our company has 13 production lines with the potential to produce 12 gigawatt hours of high-quality, competitive power storage products. We also offer customised OEM services and have sold over 2 million batteries and power storage devices to date.